Press the bell icon to never miss an update from placement interviews.
Hi, I'm Roli. I'm currently doing BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Delhi Technological University, DTU. And I'm currently in my final year and I'm placed at Texas Instruments, Bangalore.
Tell us about the placement procedure.
So there were three, the online procedure started with an online written test for 2 hours. It had 3 sections: analog, digital and aptitude. There were 20 questions in each section, and the sectional time limit was 45 minutes each for analog and digital and 30 minutes for aptitude. Apart from that, there was no sectional cutoff. If you have the profile that you're selected for will be determined only by your performance in the respective section of the test. Suppose if you have applied for analog, then the only thing that will matter will be your marks in analog as well as aptitude, not digital. After you're shortlisted in the written round, there are 3 rounds of interview, 2 technical rounds and 1 HR round. So in my first round of interview, they asked me very basic yet conceptual questions. The entire interview revolved around topics like RC circuits, op-amps, MOSFETs, CMOS, and so that's it. In the second round of interview, they took me a little deeper into analog, and they asked me questions like again on RC circuits, relatively more complex circuits, then op-amps, MOSFETs, more on CMOS inverter, its VTC, etc., etc. And the one thing that is important here, I would want to tell you all that in your interview, don't keep things in your mind. Just speak it out. Whatever is going on in your mind, just speak it out to the interviewer so that he directs you towards the right direction, and so you could follow and eventually reach the right answers. So that happened with me, and that was very helpful. Apart from that, the third round, HR round, was more of a conversation. He asked me about my projects and general questions like where do you see yourself, and what all subjects do you like except analog, and where would you prefer to stay, subtopic under analog, and that's it.
What was your preparation strategy?
So I referred to Sedgwick Smith, and I studied from Razavi a few topics like feedback, differential amplifiers, and current mirrors. I also watched the lectures by Behzad Razavi. They're easily available on YouTube. They were very helpful in building up my concepts. And yes, for numericals, I practiced from the previous year GATE papers. That's it. And Kang, I used it for CMOS.
Any tips and tricks that you'd like to share?
The main thing that I would suggest is that TI mainly focuses on your fundamental concepts. So I would say be very strong with your basics, and rather than quantity, focus on quality, and just the general be consistent. Consistency is very important, and do not get dejected by the failures. Let them make you stronger, and prepare well. All the best.
So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also let us know if you like these videos and if you want to watch more of them, and suggest us topics in the comment section below. And also I'll be linking all the social media handles in the description. You can go there, follow us there, drop a text if you want to be interviewed, or if you know somebody who can be interviewed and would help others. So that's all for today. We'll see you next time.